The Worawora Government Hospital was established in 1951 with the blessings of Ghana's first president, Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The hospital offers general services and is accredited with the National Health Insurance Scheme. Previously situated in the Volta region, the hospital is now in the Biakuya district of the Oti region. With a 120-bed capacity, the hospital has all departments that make a health facility complete. The hospital for the past 5 years is said to have seen major infrastructural development to its existing facilities. Currently, the University of Health and Allied Sciences, UHAS, for the past 2 years run a learning center for all its access courses at the hospital and has graduated 5 batches since its inception. This new year to open 40-bed capacity maternity block constructed by an indigene of the town forms part of efforts by management to position the hospital to serve as a regional hospital for the new region. In spite of all the measures put in place, the hospital still has some form of challenges.
Transport and staffing strength and equipment, these are the 3 main challenges. The hospital has a very old a rickety ambulance, which actually is not roadworthy now. Because of the road, it goes and it breaks down, and because of that, the cost of repair is becoming more expensive than saving to buy a new ambulance. We have a very old pickup, one pickup. So there are more staff now as compared to before. But with increasing workload and with increasing bed capacity, and with increasing and diversified and new services we are providing, we think that we need more staff. The last one has got to do with equipment. No, it's very difficult to procure good and better equipment now. They are very expensive. So for us to be able to deliver on our mandate to do very well, we need good equipment. We have a NICU, neonatal intensive care unit, and then we have 2 incubators that are broken down. We need them if we can get better ones, better warmers.
The medical superintendent, Dr. Isaac Bediako Secom, said staff of the hospital are well motivated and prepared to serve the new region.
We're anticipating that the hospital is going to get more clients. We as Worawora Hospital want to become a stop shop for the clients. We in health, we want to push the health agenda in the new region to make sure that we don't have to have people always having to go to other places for minor things. We should be able to stop them and help them with the minor things that they need.
When all is said and done, Worawora Government Hospital will be poised to deliver quality health care to the Oti region.